Hello, welcome my friends to a new day and a new recipe. Today the recipe is very easy and all family members prefer it. It is sweet and made from puff pastry. It is delicious and very delicious and is served at parties. At the beginning of the recipe we prepare the cream that gives the delicious taste to our recipe. We need 200 ml of milk and 1 egg and add to them. Also 25 grams of cornstarch. We also add 25 grams of sugar and vanilla to them. We mix the ingredients together and put them on the stove with continuous stirring until they boil, as you can see. After that, we empty the cream into a bowl and cover it while it is hot. As you can see, and wait until it cools. Thank you, my friends, for your interaction in the previous videos and sharing them with me. Your friends, after that, we bring the puff pastry dough and then we cut it in this way that, you see, I will be happy. My friends, if you write to me in the comments from which country you watch me, and also write to me your opinions on the recipes, whether they are negative or positive, this thing matters to me, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with friends. This thing, it helps me grow the channel. My friends, after we finish shaping the entire dough, we put it in the oven mold. And then we empty the portion of the cream that was previously cooled into the cream bag so that it is easy to use it in placing it on the puff pastry. We leave another section because we will need it in the end, and we put it on the puff pastry in this way that you saw. My friends, you can buy puff pastry from the supermarket, and you can also prepare many types of desserts and appetizers with this dough. As you know, I live in Germany. Here, most people use it a lot. It is light and very delicious to eat. After the cream has been poured onto the puff pastry, we bring 1 egg and beat it. Well, we grease the sides of the dessert in this way that you saw, and we put a little almonds or any kind of nuts. This is something optional. And according to the desire in the baking stage, we need a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After taking the dessert out of the oven, we wait until it cools completely, and then we add the cream again, as you saw. We sprinkle a little powdered sugar, a little Nutella chocolate or any kind of chocolate, and a little nuts. I used pistachios because they are beautiful and exciting. They are a delicious dessert, and we ate them with my neighbors with a cup of coffee. I hope you make them in your homes, and I am sure you will be surprised by their delicious taste. Write to me in the comments what you think of them if you like them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thank you for watching. I wish you a happy day, and I hope you always stay in good health. See you in a new recipe, a new day, and a new video as well. Bye.